suporta, lalo-lalo na po sa aking kauna-unahang prime-time teleserye. Ang Biting Walang Hining is doing so well right now. And in time we go sa aking 80th birthday, I released my new album entitled Becoming. Ayan. And hopefully po masimulan ko na rin po ang aking launching movie under Viva Films. So, Lord, kayo po bahala. So many great things to look forward to. Kaya maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. Pero, sana po, huwag po kayong maniniwala agad sa mga nababasa ninyo. Kasi, hindi po ako magbabago para sa inyo. Dapat talaga. Balian niyo ako ng buto kapag nagbago ako. Okay? Sampalin niyo ako, sakin niyo ako, gano'n. Hindi. Pero, ako po bilang tao, pareho pa rin po, simple, loving, and sobrang grateful po sa lahat ng taong nagmamahal sa akin. And just like all of you, I still believe the lessons we learned from fairy tales. Totoo po yan. Dreams still do come true. Di ba, Mark, Chris, and Jimmy?
I can show you something shimmering, slanted. Tell me, princess, the way you left my heart tonight. A whole new world, a new fantastic point of view. No one can tell or where to go. Or say we're old and dreaming a whole new world, a dancing place I never knew. But when I'm way up here, it's crystal clear. And now I'm in a whole new world with you. If I never knew you, I'd be safe, but heaven's real. Never know when I could feel a love so strong and true. I'm so grateful to you. I'd have lived my whole life through. Just a little change, small to say the least, both a little scared, neither one prepared. Beauty and the Beast, ever just the same, yeah. Ever a surprise. stars.